having 3 sessions together. The first session is vocabulary session, as I have already written the words here, as you can see. So the first word is abate. Abate means to decrease something. Belie, false representation. Carry on, it means continue. Deliver, it means serve, provide. Enlighten, enlighten means to light something, to give proper idea, proper concept. Frighten, make fear. Guide, to provide guidelines, instruct. Highlight, it means specifically focus on, mark something. Internalize, it means deeply understanding something. Juxtapose, it means setting something side by side. Juxtapose means setting something side by side. Keep on, it means carry on. It means continue, same. Lead, lead means to provide a kind of leadership quality in something, or manage the whole situation, taking things under control. Manipulate, it means using the situation, using or utilizing the situation. Nullify, it means avoid. Observe, to see something. Penetrate, it means go through something. Qualify, you understand automatically, become deserved. Rectify, to correct the situation. Serve, is providing service. Terrify, to create fear. Underestimate, it means not valuing somebody, devaluation. Verify, it means to test something, whether you are honest or dishonest. Worry, become tensed, depressed. Xerox, it means getting the copy of another. Yell, to shout or to scream about. So these are all verbs, and you can apply them in real life so that you can understand and apply them in real life. Most of the verbs are weak verbs. Weak verb means the verbs that takes ed form in V2, that is past form and past participle form. Now let's move on to the second session, which I already discussed about. Second session is introducing one by one session, which I will focus on tomorrow. So as you will start with this, you have to say that, suppose, hello everyone, this is Muhammad Kamaluddin. I was born in the district of Coxbazar in the year 1985, and my father's name is Mr. Ashik Ahmed. He is 65 years old. He is a businessman and a man of strong personality. I like him very much. My mother's name is Mrs. Aisha Siddiqui. She is 55 years old. She is a homemaker. She loves me very much, and we have a very good relationship. I have one brother and one sister. My brother is studying in engineering, 3rd year, and my sister is studying in medical college, 1st year. We have a very good family bond among our siblings. If you talk about my study, I passed my SSC in the year 2001 and HSC in the year 2003 from Chittagong University College. And after that, I got myself admitted in the Department of English in the University of Chittagong. And after completing my graduation, I completed my master's from University of Chittagong in English language teaching. After that, I joined my job. The living place, I live in Bahatchara, which is a very popular place in Coxbazar, and the place has got a lot of facilities around, with the water facilities, electricity supply and all, and I feel the comfort there. I have a lot of friends from my school, college and university. Among all the friends, I have 3 best friends, and they are like family members to me. When they are in trouble, I help them, and when I am in trouble, they help me. We have got a very good relationship. If you talk about my likes, I like visiting places, watching television, reading books, doing exercise, doing meditation, singing songs, etc. I dislike telling lies, drinking wine, smoking, and I like the people with a bad character, like who has got low morality. If you talk about my aim in life, it's very interesting. I want to be a very successful, happy and physically fit person in future. so that I can live longer and serve the society. So that's it from this second session. You'll have to practice it in the next class. And the third session is a story. You know, the story is a world famous story. The name of the story is Apple of Discord. I repeat, Apple of Discord. There are 6 characters in the story. 2 human characters, 4 angels characters. Angels are immortal and humans are mortal. So Helen and Paris. Helen is the Queen of Sparta and Paris is the Prince of Troy. One day Helen and Paris got escaped according to the history. But the story started when Athena, Hera and Aphrodite, they started quarreling with their beauty. One angel said that I am the most beautiful, the other said that I am the most beautiful. There was a quarrel, and finally Paris was given a golden apple to judge, and Paris gave the apple to Aphrodite. Although Athena offered knowledge, Hera offered power, he refused. He accepted love and beauty from Aphrodite. And the war started between Greece and Troy. Finally, the Troy, after 9 long years war, the Troy was totally destroyed. And in the story, we understand that love and beauty are temporary. Power and money are temporary. Only knowledge and wisdom is the permanent one. So Paris made a mistake. Instead of knowledge and wisdom, he has chosen love and beauty. That's why Paris is forgotten in the history. But if he had chosen knowledge and wisdom, he could be immortal in the history, because knowledge is something which will make you immortal. So hopefully these 3 sessions will be very effective for the next class, and we'll have our next session next day. Thank you.